party people in the place to be. It's your girl, Deecha the Diva. And you guys will be seeing this on Sunday. But this is Saturday evening. And I'm cooking Sunday's dinner because I got places to go, people to see, things to do. So I cook in advance a lot of the times. But in saying that, let's get to what the video is about. It's about cooking family meals, prepping ahead of time, but using wholesome, good ingredients. Just switching some of the ingredients out. Don't tell my guys. Switching some of the ingredients out to make your meal a little healthier without them really knowing through taste. Okay, so let's get to it. Today I'm making Sunday's dinner, which is spaghetti. I used whole wheat pasta. John Eagle brand. It was $1.89 for a pound. And I used ground turkey. And I had 2 pounds of ground turkey. I sauteed onions and garlic and green pepper with the ground turkey, so it flavored it all through. And these are some of the seasonings that I used. And we're going to start off with a find from the dollar store. Can you guys see that? It is soul seasoning. I use that mostly in everything. Italian seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, the New Orleans style seafood seasoning, black pepper, which you can see I need more of, cilantro, celery salt, chicken seasoning, and I use that because I use the turkey, pure canola oil. Now, ground turkey is good for when you're switching out from using beef. So that's what I used. And I used some diced tomatoes. And it's easy peasy to make your own tomato sauce. All you gotta do is take fresh tomatoes, blend them up with some garlic, some onion, some spices like the Italian seasoning and stuff. You can do it in your NutriBullet, your blender, your Ninja, or your food processor. Easy peasy. But you can see the chunks of diced tomato and onion and a little mushrooms. Now, I am a pescatarian, but I do partake in some dairy and eggs. The vegan lifestyle came very easy for me, but I did notice that I need that extra protein just so I can feel full. So, in saying that, I try to stick with mostly pescatarian diet. That's fish, chicken, fish and seafood. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with that. But, yeah, I try to cook meals in advance and meals where my family can eat all day off of and then have some leftover during the week. I do that. Oh, let me show you guys. Because I did tell you guys how small my kitchen is. Boom. There's my kitchen. Now you see I got the stainless steel and black appliances. Gas range. Dishwasher. But in showing you guys how small my kitchen is, I need some organizing ideas from you guys. So if you feel it in your spirit, feel it in your heart, please do comment below and let me know what are some ideas I can do? Because look at the top of my cabinets. All my big pots and pans and roasters and everything. You know, I'm used to having 6 kids in the house, 3 boys and 3 girls, and now I don't. So, even though I still use this stuff, it's up here. And there's the plastic containers that I pack my kids' food with and take it to them, or either when they come to eat, I can let them leave with some food. But I don't want it up there no longer. It's getting on my nerve. It's just clutter to me. So, but I am going to keep, like, you see them sealed mason jars? Those are my specialty spices and stuff that I got from Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, co-ops. So yeah, and I got this stand here. As you can see, I still got more baking sheets and stuff, and yeah, my kitchen needs organized. So if you guys got any organizing options or ideas that I can use that's still pretty, where I can have things on hand when I need them without having to go look for them or look through a whole bunch of stuff to get to them, please let your girl know. Please let me know. Drop a comment. Comment below and let me know what are some of the options I can do for organizing my kitchen, but still having my stuff on hand for when I need to cook. I just don't want that situation. I wanted to be able to put a flower or a artificial basket of ivy or something. I don't want that situation. Okay. And I usually don't have too much on my counter, but my my canisters, and I got my little deep fryer back there, but everything else is usually gone off of there. So I don't have to worry too much about that. But in saying that, this is your girl, DJ the Diva. I love you guys to life. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be Sunday's Truth of the Day. Yeah, I love you guys to life. Walk blessed, talk blessed, act blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Please click that like and subscribe and share button. Like and subscribe button and share with the community. Peace out. Bye, fam.